Hi, this is Kumar from Tenet Technetronics. Today we are going to show the hard selling product Raspberry Pi. In this video, we will have an introduction to Raspberry Pi and its features, and we will have a small demo on it. This is the new Raspberry Pi board with 512 MB RAM, having ARM11 700 MHz processor with system on chip BCM2835. Let's see about the features of Raspberry Pi board. The board can be powered up using this micro USB port. This is a memory card slot where we can connect SD card from 4GB to 32GB. This is used for display interface and the board having 17 I/O pins. This is an RCA connector for video output. This is a 3.5mm audio jack and the board having two USB 2.0 ports. This is an Ethernet port and the board having camera interface. This is an HDMI output. By using all the peripherals, we can use it as a PC. So it is called a single board computer. Right now I am using the Debian VC image with Raspberry Pi. This is the desktop for Debian VC OS. Now I am going to show the small demo on how to blink the LED with Raspberry Pi. This is the code for blinking an LED program. Here I am using Python language for writing this program. Here we are importing the GPIO libraries for accessing GPIO pins. Here we are importing the sleep for making delay in the program. Here I am initializing the 10th pin as output pin. Here we are making the pin as high or low to blink an LED. This is the PiMate board for Raspberry Pi from Tenet Technetronics. This is an expansion board for Raspberry Pi. The PiMate board comes with 5V and 3V input output pins. Additionally, the board having SPI, I2C and UART interfaces. And the board having 5V and 3V power supply output. Let us see how to blink an LED using PiMate. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to buy this product and for further queries, please visit our website www.tenettech.com. Thank you.